Hi everyone, welcome to my very own brand new YouTube channel. Now before I ask you to invest your time and your effort by subscribing to this channel or by watching my videos, it is only fair that I tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Priyata Brajbasi and I've been a journalist in Delhi for more than 8.5 years. Now in my time I have actually worked with some of the biggest media houses in the country. That includes NDTV 24/7, India Today TV. I've worked with catchnews.com, I've worked with Tiranga TV, and my last stint was with WION. Now in all of these organizations I've had different roles, different capacities. I have been a reporter, an anchor, I've been a senior producer, I've also been an associate editor. I of course have become the journalist that I am today by working in all of these organizations, so I'll always be eternally grateful. But in the last 1 or 2 years I knew that I wanted to start something of my own. I wasn't happy with the kind of news that I was doing or the news that I was processing. I wanted to be proud of the content that I produced, the kind of journalism that I did. So that is precisely why I've started this YouTube channel of my own. Now through this channel I can promise you a few things. We are going to do hardcore reporting, we are going to do ground reporting, we are going to be bringing you voices of the common man and women, and that is precisely what we are intending to do over the next few months. Now I am based out of Kolkata, so our next few videos are going to be based on the Bengal elections. We are calling the series Epicenter because Bengal is where all the action is happening, and it is the epicenter of all of the political news, all of the political action in the country right now. So stay tuned for all of those videos that we are going to be producing over the next few weeks. Now I do want to tell you a little bit about our setup. We are a 2-people team right now that includes me. I have a videographer who is also our news editor, so that is what he's doing with us right now. We are looking for a small team, so if you do want to work with us in some capacity for a small stipend, you can always get in touch with us. If you want to do paid promotions with us, and if you are a small business and do not have any political affiliations, we might want to have a conversation with you as well. And yes, over the next few months we are hoping to expand our team and be able to bring you the kind of news that you want to see and news that we as a team will be proud of. So with that, I will ask you to subscribe to this channel and basically support independent journalism. And the way that you can do that is by subscribing, like I said, to this channel, by liking our videos, by commenting on the videos. We're always looking for constructive feedback. By engaging with us is how you will promote independent journalism in this country. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do virtually like this video as well, and like I said, subscribe to this channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching.